Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Now we are going to solve one Python question. Write a program to demonstrate try finally. In previous program we discussed about try, except, else. So now we are going to see try and finally. Finally block always be executed. If you are getting the error in try block or you are not getting any error in the try block, that is no matter. So always the finally block will be executed. If the try block is erase the error, then also we execute the finally block. If the try block does not erase any error, in this case also we are going to execute this finally block. Now we can see that A equals to 10 and B equals to 0. That means 10 by 0 we get exception. In this case we are going to execute this exception block. It displays division cannot possible, B equals to 0. So after displaying this message, the control goes to print finally block. So what is a finally block? It is always executed. If you are getting error or you are not getting in error, so end of the program it displays. In another case, for example, I am giving that 2, 10 comma 2. So now we don't get any exception. So we go to else block. It prints A by B value 5.0. After that we are going to execute end of the program. Why? Because we write this code in finally block. So that is the purpose of finally block. So finally block always be executed. So now we see with as. We are going to create two files. One file name is file1, another file name is file2. One file is created with the help of try block, another file is created with the help of with. So with and as. So what is the purpose of the with? Means with statement in Python is used in exception handling to make code easy. It simplifies the management of common resources like file streams. Now here I open a file, so file1.txt, that is in writing mode. So try block, I am trying to write the content in file1.txt. What is the content? Hello friends, how are you? This content is stored in this file1.txt. So after that we can close this file. The same thing we can write with the help of with as. So with is used for to simplifies the resources, and it is used in exception handling to make code cleaner. So that means, so this is the instructions we write with the help of with open, the same thing, open, so file2.txt w, as file, so file.write hello friends how are you. Now the file1 content is hello friends how are you, file2 content is hello friends how are you. The file1 is created by using try block, the file2 is created using with and as. So we can see more clearly when you are executing this program. So now we are going to see the execution of the program. I give 10, B value 2. Say A by B value equals to 5. We enter into else block and we execute finally also. Now we see what happen if the exception is erased. Enter A value 10, B value 0. Division cannot possible, but in this case also we enter into this finally block. That is the purpose of finally. So we are currently in this directory. So there is no file with file1 and file2. If we execute this, automatically two files are created, file1.txt and file2.txt, and those two files have the content same, hello friends how are you, hello friends how are you. Yes, program is executed. Now we check that these are the two files, file1, file2. So this is the file1 content, similarly file2 content. I hope you understand that how we can reduce the code by using with and as. So just In simply 2 words you are going to do the same work what you done with using try block. So what is the purpose of the with means? With statement in Python is used in exception handling to make code cleaner. It simplifies the management of common resources like file streams.